Tired of low battery anxiety? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is your ultimate portable charging solution. Imagine charging your iPhone 6 plus times on a single charge. That's 20,000 mAh power, perfect for long trips or daily commutes. But it's not just about massive capacity. Anker's PowerIQ technology intelligently identifies your device for the fastest, safest charge possible every single time. With dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, making it an essential gadget for families or busy professionals. This reliable power bank truly stands out from other portable chargers, offering unmatched durability and efficiency for your mobile devices. Ready to upgrade your charging game and always stay powered? Find the official Amazon link in the description below to grab this must-have portable charger today. For anyone seeking a top-tier, high-capacity portable charger, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is an absolute game-changer for 2025 and beyond. Don't get caught with a dead battery again. Click that link and power up.